I tell the story, which I'm sure many daughters wouldn't tell, but when my mother, it's an interesting feeling about a woman who is so much in love with her husband. It's such a rare thing, but she was very unusual. When she had, when I was about 5 or 6 years old, she had a child. She had a boy, David. I was present because I had a cold or something, and I heard her screams, And I said to myself at that time, if this means, having a child, I'll never have. And that's why psychologically I never did. I didn't. So I always heard her screams. There was another point to it. She, at that time, a boy was born. She had a 10.5-pound boy, but it was in Chrysopolis, and there was no doctors, They brought in a man, so-called doctor, and he just ripped her apart. He took out the baby, a 10.5-pound boy, dead, but he ripped her apart, and she could never have any intimacy with my father. Yeah. And she was the type of a woman that she said to my father, as long as we're together, you are young and vigorous, and you should live and have a life with somebody. And she made sure that they were together for 58, 59 years, but always she made sure that he had somebody. Because in her mind, anybody that made my father happy in any way, that's all that she wanted. Because in the years when she couldn't have any life with him, so she made sure that he always would have somebody to live. And my father, I don't know what the right word is, but they lived so happily together. He had such a respect for her. In a way, I used to say to myself, it was living like mother and son. Each one wanted to make the other one happy.